It's so foggy this morning. Ayan, look. Look at the view. It's so foggy. So, naglibot-libot po tayo guys. Samahan niyo ako. Good morning guys, and very foggy today. Look at the sky. It's time check. It's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning, and look at that. Still foggy. Yan. So lilibot po tayo dito. Basa yung ground guys. Yung ground is basa. Ayan, foggy morning. Ang ganda ng mga flowers ko guys. Oh. Sa foggy morning. Oh, ang basa. Good morning. Look at that. It's a foggy day. It's my scarecrow. Ang pangit. Foggy morning. Normally, maaga yung foggy day. Medyo umaambon-ambon guys. Ay, umaulan na. Yung talisik. Ano yun? Talisik. Normally, maaga yung mga ganitong time, hindi na siya fog. Mas early pa. Ngayon, grabe yung fog. Kasi pa winter na, umuulan na. Kasi pa winter na guys. Ito yung mga dakdaki ko. Yan, yung mga dakdak. Ay, umuulan na guys. Umuulan. Yung dam. Yan. Oh, so foggy. Libot po tayo. Yung lemon ko guys, ang pangit na. Yan yung dam natin. Umuulan. Fog day. It's a foggy morning. See, it's foggy. Naglalakad po ako sa basa. Sa labas is fog din. Tingin tayo sa labas. Lakad. Oo, ang pag-fog din dun, oh. Gigising ko lang, guys. Tapos, nagtingin-tingin ako sa likod namin. Ay, so foggy day. Mist. Ayan, oh. Tingnan. Oh. So, ayan, balik na po tayo sa loob. Mag-breakfast. See you later, guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, and subscribes and hit the bell button. Thank you. See you in my next vlog. Babush! Don't forget to support pala Team Tulakbay and Team Tulungan. Bye!